now you are going to explain the chapter of arithmetic section. The name of the chapter is Rule of Three. The first sum. There was a stock of food grains for 9 days to cater the heads of 4,000 people at a shelter camp in Mogulpur village. After 3 days, 1,000 people left the camp for another place. Let's work out using the rule of three. That is the vital point. Rule of three method. In how many days the rest of the people will consume the remaining food. Rest of the people. At first the people was 4,000. After 3 days, therefore at first 9 days and after 3 days remaining day equal to 9 minus 3 equal to 6 days. So number of people P-O-P-L-E and number of days. That is the format of the rule of three. You have to write like this way. Number of days 6 days and number of people on that day, that is 4,000. Then after 3 days 1,000 people leave the place. So after 6 days the number of people 4,000 minus 1,000 equal to 3,000. In how many days? X days. That is left. Now that is the vital point. Here the number of people and number of days, inverse relation or direct relation. That is inverse relation. The people when increases, the day must be decreases. So, or if the people decreases, the number of days increases. So that is therefore there is a inverse relation, not direct, indirect, not direct, indirect and inverse, V-E-R-S-E, inverse relation, R-E-L-A-T-I-O-N, relation between, P-T-W-W-N, between people, P-O, people and days. Therefore, by rule of three, R-U-L-E, rule of three, rule of three, we can write 6 by x, x by 6, that is 4,000 by 3,000, 4 by 3, therefore x is equal to 4 into 6 by 3, that is 8 days. So rest of the people will consume the remaining grains for 8 days. Therefore, rest of the people, P-O-P-L-E, rest of the people, that is number of people 3,000, consume, C-O-N-S-U-M-E, consume the grains, G-R-A-I-N, grains for 8 days. That's your answer. Okay. The second sum. 42 laborers of a farm at Nasipur village can cultivate the entire land of the farm in 24 days. But suddenly 6 laborers become ill. 6 laborers become ill. Suddenly 6 laborers become ill, and the period of cultivation, during the period of cultivation, let us work out by the rule of three method. how many days will take to cultivate the entire land of the farm by the rest of the laborers. At first, the number of laborers was 42. 42 laborers and cultivate the entire land in 24 days. But suddenly 6 laborers. 6 laborers. That is highlighted point. 6 laborers become ill. So number of laborers. LABOUR. Number of days. Same thing. Just like before sum. Number of laborers. At first 42. Then 6 laborers ill. So at first 42 laborers can cultivate the land in 24 days. And when 6 laborers become ill after some days, then number of laborers 42 minus 6 is equal to 36 laborers can cultivate the land in X days. DAYs. The late. This one is late. Okay. Here the number of laborers and number of days, that is also inverse relation. Therefore, the relation 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 between laborers and days are also inverse. INVERSE inverse. Therefore, by rule of 3 we can write same thing, x by 24 equal to 42 by 36. The tables of 7 tables of 6, 7 by 6, 6 7 is 42, 6 6 is 36, 7 by 6. Therefore x equal to go crosswise 24 into 7 by 6, 6 4 ja 24, 28 days, DAYS. Therefore the question was, let's work out using the rule of 3 method how many days will take to cultivate the entire land of the farm or the rest of the laborers. Therefore 28 days will take to cultivate, CULTIVAT, cultivate the whole land by 36 laborers. Answer. The second sum is over. The third sum. It takes 27 days to make 1000 spare parts. 27 days, 1000 spare parts by the number of machines of the number of machines. Let's work out by the using the rule of 3 method how many days will take to make the same number of, that is 1000 spare parts. In addition, two machines are installed. At first the number of machines was 27 days, 1000 number of 16 number of machines, so 16. So here the pillars, number of machines, that is one pillar. Number 2 pillar, number of days. Third pillar is number of, means number of parts, spare parts, that is parts, PARTS. Okay. At first 27 days, 27. Number of spare parts 1000. 60 number of machines. 60. First line is over. Second, 2 machine installed. So number of machines will be 18 plus 2. Sorry, 16 plus 2 equal to 18. In how many? Same number of, in how it take to make the spare parts? In how many days? That is the vital. How many days? That is asking. X days. 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 That is late. And that is 1000. Same number of spare parts. Here, in this position, the late is X. So number 1, number of days and number of machines. Here, days and machines. Here there is DHERE. There is a inverse relation. INVERSE. Inverse relation between machine and days. Machine and days. And days and machines, days and parts is direct relation. More parts can you make in more days. And inverse relation and direct, D-I-R-E-C-T, direct relation, R-E-L-A-T-I-O, relation between, B-T-W-W-N, between days and parts. Days and parts, P-A-R-T-S, parts. Therefore, by the rule of 3, you can write here. Now, I am doing the sum only. X by 27 is equal to 16 by 18 into 1000 by 1000, direct and inverse the same thing, 1000 by 1000. So cut it here. So X equal to 16 into 27 crosswise divided by 80. Table sub 9, 2, table sub 9, that is 3. That is 24 days, DAYS. So how many days? How many days will take to make? Therefore, in 24 days, 1000 spare parts, SPARE, spare parts, PRT parts, can make by how many machines? 18 machines. That's your answer. Thank you. And you will get some second class also for rule of 3 in the next class. Okay, second class. That is class number 1. Then it will be the class number 2. Thank you.